Hello, my name is Paula Andrea Cervera Javela. Okay, the subject I am going to talk to you about is my election and this script in the following table. Okay, strip and speaker name Paula Andrea Cervera. The topic of the lesson: the importance of the ocean and seas in economic organization. Subjects 1. Children showed memories the names of ocean. 2. Become great at pronunciation over the next few months. 3. Children can speak the English language without any difficulty. Okay. Introduction. Make the students focus on learning more, socializing more, and doing every activity required so that they can get to know the continents and oceans, where they can add more words to their English vocabulary and improve their English language. One of the strategies could be didactic material for students, such as videos, clipping, cartoon, etc., to improve concentration and accepting of new information. Okay, the next is lesson description. Presentation stake. In the DBA, children must identify the names of the continents and oceans that make our planet Earth and recognize the activities that take place in the coast areas. 2. Practice stake. The pronunciation, reading, concentration, all this can be made possible with the teacher, who is ready for each of his students, where it's possible to be more didactic and understandable. Production stake. For the student to demonstrate that she has learned, she must speak in English about the oceans and continent, giving a brief explanation. Okay, the conclusion is: in conclusion, both student and teacher will be ready to ensure that the class is giving properly the information and the activities that are the given are done correctly, so that at the end of the class a good everything is achieved. Closing. The closing is that students must take a final exam at the end of each class and review and pay close attention in class to get their final grade. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.